In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your Ohio ID to your Apple Wallet. This is an incredibly convenient feature that allows you to carry your ID digitally, reducing the need for carrying a physical card all the time. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to begin by opening the Wallet app on your iPhone. This is the app where all your digital cards, tickets, and passes are stored, making it the central hub for your digital wallet needs. Once you've got the app open, look to the upper right corner of your screen and tap on the plus button. This action will take you one step closer to adding your ID to your digital wallet. Now, you'll see a few options appear on your screen. Here, you'll want to select driver's license or state ID. This option is specifically for adding official identity cards like the Ohio ID. When you choose this, you'll be presented with another list that includes driver's license and ID cards. Just tap on this option to proceed. Next, you need to select the state for which you have the ID. Since you're looking to add an Ohio ID, tap on Ohio from the list of supported states. This will ensure that the app knows what kind of ID you're uploading and which state it's from. With that done, you'll see a Continue button. Tap it to move forward in the process. The next step involves scanning your ID. To do this, we're going to use the iPhone's camera. You'll need to capture both the front and back of your Ohio ID. This can feel a bit like taking a picture, and the important thing is to make sure it's clear and easy to read. So, follow the on-screen prompts that will guide you to align your ID within the frame for accurate capturing. Once you've captured both sides of your ID, it's time to submit this information to the Ohio Bureau of Motor Vehicles, often referred to as BMV. Remember, at this point your data is securely sent to the BMV for verification. Security is a top priority in this process, so you can rest assured that your information is being handled with care. Finally, you'll want to keep an eye out for a notification on your phone. This notification will let you know once your ID has been reviewed and approved. Once approved, your Ohio ID will be officially part of your Apple Wallet, making accessing it as easy as accessing your other digital cards and passes. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully uploaded your Ohio ID to your Apple Wallet, bringing a new level of convenience to managing your identity documents. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to revisit any of the steps if you need a refresher, and enjoy the convenience of a digital ID.